What's up all you there in YouTube space? Welcome back. Today we're going to be opening up a whole display of Ghosts from the Past 2. This is my first display I opened up on this channel, by the way, guys. So hit that like and subscribe button because we're going to get right into it. We have a possible chance of pulling a ghost rare, guys. Get in a little bit more on the card there. Alright, cool. Get right into it. We're going fast. I don't remember how this one goes. I don't remember, like, I know it's all like ultras. I don't know if there's a secret in here or anything like that. Fossil machine. Go! In zombie world. Pendulum area. Yeah, this is gonna come out in one part, guys. Might be a little bit longer video, but I will try to go speedily. Box of friends. Vampire sorcerer. Shell Knight, my bad. The agent of entropy. And motor shell. Nice. Oh, what we got right on top, guys? Chimera Tech Rampage Dragon. That is a beautiful card. I'm always a big fan of anything Chimera Tech or anything like that. Retaliating Sea. Chronicle Magician. I said Chronic Magician. Tingy Spirit. And Cocatorium, the Heavy Metal Avian. Interesting. Next pair. Luckily there aren't that many cards in this pack, so hopefully I'll be able to cut this video down to something reasonable. The Agent of Judgment, Sadden. Tingy Spirit. Protector of the Agents, Moon. Oh, what is this guy? Can't even read him. Number 60. It's hard to. Number 60, Dolgris the Timeless. Let's see if I can get this closer for you guys. So you can. It's hard to see the name on him because it's in gold. And Vampire Takeover. Okay. A little scuffage on the back, but that's okay. Rampaging Sea. The Agent of Force, Mars. Fossil Machine Skull Convoy. Doom Knight. I don't know how to say that other word. Balladrock. Balladrock. And Jormungand. Something of eternity. Oh, Jormungand, Generator of Eternity is what that says. Man. That text is small. Okay. However you want to make it happen, Bido. So can we pull a Ghosty? The Agent of Force, Mars. Despia Theater of Branded. Galaxy Soldier. Despian Tragedy. And yeah. Vision Hero. Vion? Vion, I guess is how you say that. Rip them open with authority. Despian Theater of the Branded. Despian Theater of the Branded. Oh, Plunder Patrol Ship. Dark Alligator. Yang Zhang. Was it? Rana? Prana? And Ghost Rick. The Ghost Rick. I'm really doing a good job of opening these packs today. Fossil Machine Skull Buggy. The Agent of Force Mars. Barrel in Dragon. My goodness, that's some great artwork. Hella. Generator Boss of Doom. On Moraki. And that's it. Next pack, next pack. Nerf Perk. Nerf Perk. Vampire Sorcerer. Altergist Fallover. Failover, not Fallover. Decode Talker. Heat Soul. Nice. Never seen him before. The Agent of Entropy. And Motor Shell. Okay. It's like, you know, the only way you kind of make your money back on this is if you pull a ghost. Everything else ain't worth much. Speaking of not worth much. Sandwich. Generator Boss Stage. Galaxy Soldier. Vampire Duke. And the Agent of Wisdom. Was that it? Yeah. The Agent of Wisdom Mercury. When I used to actually play in person. It's one of the decks I used to play, so they'll probably go in the binder just for nostalgic purposes. Oh, speaking of agents, Master Hyperion. Vampire Grace. Fallen Sanctuary. What does that say? Redbeard, the Plunder Patrol Matey. And Yazi, Evil of the Yangtze. Was it? Tatsu Necro. I think that's how you say that. Bluebeard, the Plunder Patrol Shipwright. Shipwright, yeah. Alright. Oh, we got an Elemental Hero. Elemental Hero Neos. Is it Kluger? Kluger. Interesting. Dark Contract with the Swamp King. Pendulum Area. Rookie Warrior Lady. Nice art. Ghost Rick Spectre. Protector of the Agent's Moon. Despot 001. And Princess Cologne. Alright. Oh, we got a nice Nirvana, High Paladin. Flint Cracker. Chronic Magician. Track Black. And Shadow Vampire. Okay, nice. Nice. Shadow Vampire. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, this is an OG. Great Mammoth of Gold Find. Wow. This is like the beginning of Yu-Gi-Oh! That's crazy right there. Love to see it. Alien Ammonite. Chronicle Magician. What's this? Dotscaper. And DD Necro Slime. More packs. Can I pull a ghost? I have no clue. Keep watching because I sure might. Insector Gigamantis. Infernity Pawn. Another Moon. Cockatorium. And a Fossil Machine Skull Wagon. Nice. Samsara Dragon. DD Swirl Slime. Another Elemental Hero, Neos Kluger. Oh, Malefic Siberian Dragon. That's a heater. Ghost Drake Lantern. And that's it. Okay, cool. Last two packs. Can we do it? Can I pull a ghost rare? Gotta believe in it. I can do it. Wandering King of Wind. Oh no, Wild Wind. My bad. I said Wind. Yang Zing Brutality. Ryza, the Mega Monarch. Insector Sword. And Rose Spectre of Doom. I remember all these OG cards. Forgot what game that these all appeared in. Some OG Yu-Gi-Oh game that my brain is failing to remember. Alright, last pack, guys. Hit the like button so that I can pull this ghost rare. Dark Contract with the Gate. Cupid Pitch. Ghost Rick Mary. Vampire Sucker. And Tenyi Spirit. Okay. Alright guys, here's our major haul. I just kind of picked out the ones that I liked and I think I'm going to put in my binder. Unfortunately, no ghost, but hey, these cards are pretty cool looking. I am satisfied with it. So hit that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.